Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fry canned salmon. First, carefully drain your canned salmon, pressing out any extra liquid. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy texture. Next, gently flake the salmon into smaller pieces using a fork, removing any skin or bones if desired. Then, combine the flaked salmon with a binder, such as 1 egg and about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, to help form patties. Once your salmon mixture is ready, use your hands to form it into uniform patties, ideally about 3 inches in diameter and not too thick. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. A cast iron or non-stick pan works best. Carefully place the patties into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. To elevate the flavor, season your salmon patties with a dash of salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder before or after frying. Consider incorporating fresh herbs like dill or parsley into the mixture for an even brighter taste. Once cooked, transfer the crispy patties to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Serve them immediately with fresh lemon wedges for a zesty finish, or alongside your favorite dipping sauce like tartar sauce. For the best results, avoid overcrowding your frying pan. Cook the patties in batches if necessary to ensure each one gets perfectly crispy. Keep an eye on the heat, adjusting it down if the patties are browning too quickly, or up if they aren't crisping enough. This helps achieve that desirable golden crust without burning. And speaking of good choices, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description for staying hydrated, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.